This video is about machining the Seahorse Knight. The Seahorse Knight is the third in a series that we're doing. So as you can see here, I've got the block of wood already mounted in the fixture, and I've got my 1/4 inch up spiral bit ready to go. The next thing that we want to do is touch off on the top of this material. So I'll get my touch off plate, put it in place, put the magnet up there so it can make a complete circuit. Okay, I got my magnet in place and my touch plate in place. Now I go over to, we're going to bring it down a little bit so it's closer. And we hit plate. Say OK. Touch the plate to get the red screen. Say OK. We'll touch the plate and we're okay and ready to go. We remove the plate. Turn our router to on. And now we're ready to load the program. Okay, we're ready to load the program. Go to USB. Find the Knight file. We're doing the top. Roughing, material surface on the center. Turn on the dust collection and we're ready to go. Okay, we're ready to change the bits over and do the finish cut on top side. So here we go. Changing the bits. Turn the router off. Safety first all the time. We're installing a 1/16 inch tapered ball bit. This is for our finish cut. Turn the router back on. Touch plate. Make sure you don't have any burrs here. Install the touch plate. Now we're going to bring the bit down a little bit. And go to plate, say OK. Touch it, get the red screen. Now did our measurement for the Z-axis. Say OK. Now we're ready to load and run the program.